So our today's lecture is De Morgan theorem. Okay. Then after this topic, I'll be discussing with you the sorting in Python. Okay. Now Augustus D. Morgan, he has given us two theorems: De Morgan first theorem, De Morgan second theorem. According to De Morgan's first theorem, x plus y whole bar, whether you put the line on the top or whether you put inverted comma, it means bar, complement. X plus y whole bar, it is equal to x bar and y bar. Am I clear to all? The first theorem of De Morgan. Now we have to prove this. So I'm going to take a table over here. Okay. I write here x, then y. I have two variables. So I'll be taking 2 zeros, 2, 1. Already I have told you in the offline class. 0, 1, 0, and 1. Okay. Am I clear? Is my voice clearly audible, class? Am I clearly audible to everyone? So when you are having two variables, you will be taking 4 values: 0, 1, 2, 3. This is 0 to 3 in binary. Total 4. Now, first of all, I'll be doing x plus y. Plus means or. The symbol plus means or. Or कहता है, if either of the value is true, the result is true. So 0, 0, 0, 0 and 1, 1, 1 and 0, 1, 1 and 1, 1. You understand? I told you in the offline class, the or symbols tells अगर एक वैल्यू ट्रू है तो रिजल्ट ट्रू है. 1 मीन्स ट्रू, 0 मीन्स फॉल्स. रिजल्ट फॉल्स कब होगा? अगर दोनों वैल्यू फॉल्स है. रिजल्ट विल बी फॉल्स only and only if both the expressions are false. Clear? Now we will go with, just a minute class. Okay, x plus y whole bar. हमने x plus y कर लिया. अब इसका होल बार करना है, इसका कॉम्प्लीमेंट करना है. 0 will be converted to 1, 1 will be converted to 0. This is the result of left hand side. Clear to everyone? Now moving over to the right hand side, we will find here x bar. I am writing inverted comma. Inverted comma means bar, complement. x का बार क्या होगा? 1, 1, 0, 0. इसका बार किया ना हमने. 0 को 1 में कन्वर्ट कर दिया, 1 को 0 में कन्वर्ट कर दिया. Then we go with the y bar. What is y bar? 1, 0, 1, 0. Okay. Now we are to add these two, product of these two, x bar, y bar. This is and, denoted by dot. What and says? And says the result will be true only and only if both the expressions are true. Result will be true only and only if both the expressions are true. So this is true, true, true. This is false, this is true. This is false. This also is false, and this is also false. This is the result of right hand side. Compare the shaded columns. Compare the shaded columns. Are they equal? Therefore, x plus y whole bar is equal to x bar, y bar. Theorem is proved. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Any queries? Any questions in the first theorem? I'll be proving the second theorem also. De Morgan first theorem is clear. This is the first theorem of De Morgan. Okay, 11th class. Now moving to the second theorem of De Morgan. As per the second theorem says x dot y whole bar is equal to x bar plus y bar. This is the second theorem. X into y whole bar is equal to x bar plus y bar. I just copy paste this table over here and I make changes here. First, I make x into y. X into y means x and y. X and y says both the expressions will be true, then only the result will be true. So this is 0, 0, 0 and 1. Okay? अब इसका कर दो कॉम्प्लीमेंट, x डॉट y का होल कॉम्प्लीमेंट. ये जो आपका रिजल्ट आया है इसका कॉम्प्लीमेंट करना है. कॉम्प्लीमेंट मींस इनवर्ट, 1 to 0, 0 to 1. ये बन गया 1, 1, 1, 0. Okay? Now moving to x बार. अब x का बार करो, ये x है, इसका बार, इसका कॉम्प्लीमेंट करो, 1, 1, 0, 0. Then you have y bar. This is y. Make its complement over here, 1, 0, 1, 0. Now add up these two. अब इन दोनों को और करो, x बार प्लस y बार. इन दोनों को और करो. और कहता है एक भी ट्रू हो गया, रिजल्ट ट्रू है. If either of the expression is true, the result is true. 1, 1, 1, 0. Compare the shaded columns. Compare both the shaded columns. Second theorem is also proved. So x into y whole bar is equal to x bar plus y bar. Theorem is proved. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Am I clear? 11th class, both the theorems are clear. De Morgan first and De Morgan second. Any questions, any doubt? If you get a question, suppose I'm giving one example to you people. State and prove De Morgan theorem. You are not told first or second. The question is general question. State and prove De Morgan's theorem, then you will explain both the theorems. You will prove both the theorems, first as well as second. But if you get a particular question, state and prove De Morgan's first theorem, then this is the first theorem. You will prove this. If you get a question on second theorem, this is the second theorem, you will prove this. Am I totally clear with this topic? Raise your thumb, please, to give your feedback. Only Harshvardhan thumb is raised. All right. Now our next concept is sorting. This is also part of your project also, which already I have circulated. Now, in general sense, what do you mean by sorting? Sorting means arranging the data in ascending or descending order. You are to arrange the elements of your list either in ascending, that is increasing order, or in descending, that is the decreasing order. Two type of sorting you are to study in Python. One is bubble sort. Second is insertion sort. Okay. Let us first of all study the role of bubble sort. What bubble sort is? I am taking few elements over here. This is the list of elements 5, 4, 5, 3, 4, 1, 2. Okay. What bubble sort technique says? Compare the first element with its adjacent element. Compare the first element with its adjacent element. That is the next element. पहले element को दूसरे के साथ compare करो. If they are not in proper order, if they are not sorted, sort them. So 5 is more than 3. 3 is less than 5. We are to sort in ascending. So result will be 3, 5, 4, 1, 2. Okay. So these two have been sorted. The shaded portion shows the sorted form. Now compare next two adjacent elements, 5 with 4. 5 with 4. Are they sorted? No, they are not. So sort them. 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. Now these two are sorted. Now compare 5 and 1. If they are sorted, it's okay. If they are not sorted, sort them. Okay. So they are sorted. Right? Then go with 5 and 2. 3, 4, 1, 2, 5. Now they are sorted. First stage is finished. हमें कैसे पता लगा पहली स्टेज खत्म हो गई है? हर स्टेज में, listen carefully 11th class, at every stage the heaviest element will come at the end. पूरी लिस्ट में जो सबसे हैवी एलिमेंट होगा वो अपनी पोजीशन पर आकर सेट हो जाएगा, वो लास्ट में अपनी पोजीशन ऑक्यूपाई कर लेगा, वहां पे वो सेट हो जाएगा. इन द नेक्स्ट स्टेज, इन द सेकेंड स्टेज, यू आर टू इग्नोर दिस हैवी एलिमेंट. इसको इग्नोर कर देना, क्योंकि वो अपनी पोजीशन पे सेट हो चुका है, उसको बार बार छेड़ने की जरूरत नहीं है. अब हमारी जो नेक्स्ट स्टेज में सॉर्टिंग चलेगी वो इन एलिमेंट्स की चलेगी, जो ग्रे पोर्शन में शेड है. क्लियर? लेट्स गो विद द नेक्स्ट स्टेज. 3 4 1 2 5. Compare 3 and 4. Are they sorted? Yes. 3 is less than 4, they are sorted. Compare 4 with 1. 4 with 1. 1 and 4. Sort कर दिया. Then 2 and 5. So they are sorted. Now 4 with 2. Okay. Now see here. These two get sorted. अब पहला हैवी एलिमेंट 5 था, 5 को छोड़ दिया, उसके बाद इनमें से हैवी एलिमेंट कौन सा था? इनमें से हैवी एलिमेंट था 4. 4 भी अपनी पोजीशन पे आ गया. Are you understanding 11th class? I'm getting no response from anyone. Are you all here? Okay. पहले 5 अपनी पोजीशन पे आ चुका था. Now 4 has also taken its position. So in the third stage, second stage खत्म हो गई. In the third stage, we will ignore these two values. Let's go to the third stage. Compare 3 and 1. They are not sorted. Now compare 3 and 2. Then compare 3 and 4. They are sorted. Okay. So finally at the end, we get a sorted list. Okay. This is the bubble sort technique. Initially, at the first stage, we will be having entire list. But at end of every stage, हर स्टेज के बाद हैवी एलिमेंट को छोड़ते जाएंगे, क्योंकि हैवी एलिमेंट तो अपनी पोजीशन ले ही लेगा. बार बार उस हैवी एलिमेंट को क्या देखना है? We will keep ignoring the heavy element at the end of every stage, because heavy element will already occupy its position. Okay, we will be dealing with the rest of the elements, right? So I show the programming part of it. Let's discuss the program of bubble sort. Is the Python window visible to everyone? Yes, class. Is the Python window visible? All right. Now here what I have done, I have taken a list where I have taken the A element, A array, 15, 6, 13, 22, 3, 52 and 2. Clear? This is the initial list in unsorted form. जो लिस्ट है उसको पहले प्रिंट करवा लो, अपनी गिवन लिस्ट को प्रिंट करवा लो, राइट? Then find the length of your list. अब मैं I'm making working notes over here. The length of my list is 3 and 3, 6 and 7. So X is 7. Okay. For I in range X, X की वैल्यू 7 है. 7 का मतलब हो गया 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. ये आउटर लूप है. आउटर लूप स्टेजेस काउंट करेगा, इनर लूप एलिमेंट्स को स्वैप करेगा. आई रिपीट अगेन, द आउटर लूप इज यूज्ड टू काउंट द स्टेजेस, हाउ मेनी स्टेजेस योर सॉर्टिंग विल टेक प्लेस. जैसे ये देखो ना, ये जो स्टेजेस है, जो फर्स्ट स्टेज, देन सेकंड स्टेज, then third stage. Okay, the inner loop, it will take into consideration the swapping of the elements. जो swapping होगी वो inner loop handle करेगा. Got it? Now inner loop I have taken 0 starting, that is 15, X minus I minus 1. The inner loop is taking 0, X minus I minus 1. Why this I minus I have taken? Anybody can tell me? I have told you the logic when I explained the sorting just now in MS Word. I have told you the reason why this I has been taken over here. Because at the end of every stage, we are to leave what? We are to ignore the heaviest element, because heavy element will occupy its position. हर स्टेज के बाद जो हैवी एलिमेंट है वो अपनी पोजीशन पे आ जाएगा, तो नेक्स्ट स्टेज में उसे इग्नोर करना है, एक स्टेप कम चलना है, हर बार एक स्टेप कम चलना है. इसलिए हमने यहां पर आई लिया. राइट? क्लियर? सो ए ऑफ जे को ए ऑफ जे प्लस 1 से कंपेयर करो. दीज आर द एलिमेंट्स 15, 6, 13, 22, 3, 52 and 2. This is A of J. Okay, compare it with A of J plus 1. A of J plus 1 पे क्या पड़ा है? 6. इन दोनों को कंपेयर करो. If A of J is bigger than A of J plus 1, अगर 15 6 से बड़ा है, ट्रू, तो इनकी पोजीशन को स्वैप कर दो, इनकी पोजीशन इंटरचेंज करवा दो. जो A of J plus 1 पे था वो A of J पे आ जाए, जो A of J पे था वो A of J plus 1 पे आ जाए. यानी 6 आ जाए इधर, 15 आ जाए इधर. यही मैंने यहां पे किया. 11th के शुरू में आपके पास ये न्यूमेरिकल्स थे ना, मैंने वही चीज की है यहां पर. कुछ याद आया? इन द बिगिनिंग ऑफ द सेशन यू हैव सॉल्व दीज न्यूमेरिकल्स. ये वाले न्यूमेरिकल्स जो हम करते थे, x, y इक्वल टू 10, 22, x, y इक्वल टू y, x. स्वैपिंग की है ना हमने, वही चीज हमने यहां पे की है. A of J will take value of A of J plus 1. A of J plus 1 will take value of A of J. Clear? तो पहले ये दो वैल्यू स्वैप होंगी, फिर 15 13 कंपेयर होंगे, फिर 13 22 कंपेयर होंगे, फिर 22 और 3 कंपेयर होंगे, फिर ये दो कंपेयर होंगे। एंड में फर्स्ट स्टेज के बाद क्या होगा, जो 52 है वो अपनी पोजीशन पे सेट हो जाएगा आके, राइट। 52 will get set at its position, right? I just show the output to you. Check it. Check the list. Original list and the list after sorted. Compare the two lists together. Original list and list after sorting. Please compare both the list. You will get to know what I want to say. Any questions, any doubt, raise your hand. I will unmute you one by one. And this sorting program is part of your project also. Any doubt, any questions, anyone, please. No questions, no queries. 11th class, no question, no queries. Have you understood? Have you understood, please? Nidhi, Arshpreet, every time only 2 thumbs are raised. I don't know what others are doing in the class. Okay. So go through the program carefully. If you have any queries, please ask me right now. Go through the program very carefully. Don't cram it. यह जो ये if condition है ना, इस if condition में we are comparing the adjacent elements. Two adjacent element at a time. If they are not sorted, they are sorted. अगर वो आपस में सॉर्ट नहीं है तो उनको sorted किया जा रहा है. Then only we are proceeding to the next element. Or after every single stage, at the end of every single stage, the heavy element will come at the end. It will occupy the position at the end. And in the next stage, no need to touch the heavy element. It has already taken its position. उसे ignore करना है. इसलिए हमने यहां पर I माइनस किया, ताकि हैवी एलिमेंट को इग्नोर कर दें नेक्स्ट स्टेज में. जो फाइनल स्टेज होगी, at the final stage, all the elements will be sorted. Am I clear to all? The role of bubble sorting. Yuvraj has some question to ask. Yes, Yuvraj, please unmute yourself.
सर एक वॉल्यूम पर हटाना, स्क्रीनशॉट लेना है.
I'm not getting you. Please, could you speak louder?
सर वॉल्यूम बार हटाना, 1 मिनट स्क्रीन से स्क्रीनशॉट लेना है.
Okay. Is it okay now? Okay. Yes, any other doubt? यहां पे स्वैपिंग हो रही है. The line which I have shaded, here swapping is taking place. जो A of J पे था, अब उसको वैल्यू मिलेगी A of J plus 1, अगली वैल्यू. और जो A J plus 1 पे था, वो आ जाएगा पिछली लोकेशन, उसको A of J मिल जाएगा. ठीक है, राइट?